am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging.
Yeah, I give you a little something.
Yes, sir. What you running here?
Got 218s going, 2 Harmony Audios.
Keep a mouth like Corona. One play, I'm having tea like a farmer. These niggas lie by the shit they do, but tell the truth to your honor. These niggas using they dick. How they don't roll up no ball? Fuck 12 weeks, bitch in the club. Don't talk to me like if he slanging them drugs. I'm still hanging with them criminals. Please don't throw no subliminals. Like okay, we going digital. Drop him. This nigga thought he was bulletproof. Nigga straight. Talk about what he was finna do.
Not bad.
Shit, talking about in their rap. These niggas ain't they poppin' the trap. See, I really did. In the kitchen, you get I'm working it out. No, I don't have trying to get shit. We send them the blood and fly them the bitch. Call them more than the dub. These niggas got like a stud. Just tell me you a dub. Niggas who got that bitch sound like a ball. Look why them I ain't going from there. So they say that he took all these studying these niggas. What they say they get friends. Like 50 today. Play with
Yes, sir, man. You built everything yourself?
No, me and my homie built it.
All
in the backyard. Backyard.
That's the way we do it. You on social media where they can follow you anywhere?
No, I ain't.
You ain't on there.
I ain't got nothing.
Man, I'm gonna have you on YouTube though. Man, it was good seeing you, bro.
You too, bro.
Yes, sir.
Changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.